Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add Payoneer account in the CJ affiliate. So the first step that you have to do is to visit the cj.com and log in with your publisher credentials. Once you're in, just navigate to the account, tap on the payment settings from the top menu, and in the payment settings, you click on the add payment method and just select the Payoneer from the available payment options list. So you click on it, and then you also have to enter the email address associated with your Payoneer account. So this must match the registered Payoneer email that you have exactly. Next is the CJ will send a verification request to your Payoneer account. So you just have to log into your Payoneer and then approve the connection request. Lastly is once verified, Payoneer will appear as your active payment method. So you just have to set minimum payment threshold and you're ready to receive commissions. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!